Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset the password of Windows 10. For that thing we have to go to the command prompt. Here you can see the magic button here. We can use this magic button as a command prompt link. So to enable that link we have to do two things. First thing, we have to change the file name of the utilman.exe and the file name cmd. So how to do that? Let us see. First of all, we have to do unexpected shutdown. To unexpected shutdown, then we can just hold down the switch power off button and power on back. When you see this Windows logo, again press down the power off. Now again power on the computer, again power off the button and start it again. Now you will see the automatic repair button. See, you can see here preparing automatic repair. Here you can see the troubleshoot button. Click on it and then go to the advanced options, and here you can see system image recovery. Press on it, cancel here, next, then advanced and install a driver. Okay, here you have to be very cautious that it should be a C drive. Sometimes when you go to this point, C drive letter is something different. Maybe it is E. You have to first see whether it is C or not. It changes when you go to the system image recovery. It changes automatically the drive letters. So here you have to see which one is your actual C partition. Don't go into the wrong partition because there are different. Here you can see there are also Windows here, but you have to go the actual C partition, actual Windows partition, that is this C drive. Maybe it sometimes changes the drive letter while going into the repair mode, but here I saw that this is the actual Windows partition. So go into this partition. Here you can see Windows, then go to system 32. Here in system 32 you have to change the two file names. First is utilman.exe, utilman.exe is here. See, rename it utilman1. Enter and refresh it. Again the second file name is cmd. We have to also change that. See, rename into utilman. Enter. We have changed the both files. See here utilman and utilman1. Okay, then go back to restart the Windows. Here you can see the magic button again, but as I already told you that we have to make it the command prompt link. So click on it, it will appear command prompt. Here we can see now a command prompt is there. Now we will see which user we are in. Who am I? See here, we are in the authority of the system user, that is the super user of all the users in the Windows. So let us use the command net user and see which user you want to change the password. We want we have a way to will username, and we want to change the password of this user. For that we have to write down the asterisk here, asterisk, and enter. It will show us the new password of the user, but here we don't want to enter any password, so just enter, again enter. We don't have any password here. Okay, close. Now here we can see whether it's working or not. Yes, we just change the password and we don't have any password here now. This is how we can reset the password of the user in Windows 10. But one thing is important here, that after you doing this, you have to rename the files back to the original name. I hope this video you enjoyed, and I hope that you will subscribe my channel, share my channel, and like my channel. Thank you.